Believers IAS Academy's Film Series 2021. Under Organizations and Reports, today we have Gulf Cooperation Council. So why is this important right now? Because recently India's External Affairs Minister met the top leaders of Qatar and discussed strengthening the economic and security cooperation between the two countries. So in this article that was featured in news, the Gulf Cooperation Council was also mentioned, and as a result we have chosen this topic. So what is Gulf Cooperation Council? It is a political, economic, social and regional organization, and it has 6 member countries. Those are Saudi Arabia, UAE, Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman and Qatar. So why this group? Why did this country come together to form this group? So initially, if you look at this country, you will find out that you'll figure out that they are mostly Islamic countries, countries that follows that has Islamic beliefs, and hence they have similar political and cultural identities. So apart from this, these countries have special relations in between them, and also because of the geographical proximity. If you look at the map here, you can see Saudi Arabia, Oman, UAE, and Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait, every countries, you can see that they are located very near to each other, and also they have common objectives. So whenever you come across these maps, whenever you look at these maps, you need to observe it properly, because in geography a lot of questions have surfaced in UPSC question papers related to maps. So note that which are the countries that surrounding the Persian Gulf, and the Strait of Hormuz here, and here the Gulf of Oman. So so you have to keep a watch on these features, because these kind of questions can appear in your exam. So back to Gulf Cooperation Council. So GCC was established in 1981, and its secretariat is located in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. And the structure of the GCC consists of a Supreme Council and the Ministerial Council and Secretariat General. The alliance was formed. So why is this alliance formed? In order to strengthen relations among its member countries and to promote cooperation among the countries. But they also have a defense planning council that coordinates military cooperation between the member countries. So let's see what are the relationship of India and the Gulf Cooperation Council. So firstly, India has good relations with the Gulf Cooperation Council. For example, like recently Prime Minister of India have won the Order of Zayed from UAE, which is the highest civilian order, and also King Hamad Order of the Nations from Bahrain. So, and also GCC states are India's key suppliers of energy. We have a good trade relationship with them, and also if you look at the migrant workers, like we have a lot of Indian migrant workers who are working in the Gulf countries, right? And the annual remittances that they make, the money that they send back home, will amount to $4.8 billion. So that's a huge amount, right? And also Saudi Arabia and UAE are countries, although they are Islamic countries, and they often are vocal about the situations of Muslims around the world, but they have stayed away from India's domestic developments. For example, we have struck down the Article 370 that was giving autonomy to the state of Jammu and Kashmir, right? But these states, Saudi Arabia and UAE, were not willing to interfere in India's internal affairs, and so they abstained from making any comments on that. So we have a good relation, we have good diplomatic relations there. And both India and the GCC are members of the Financial Action Task Force. So this task force is actually supposed to fight against the money laundering and also terrorist funding. So all the GCC countries and India are like part of this Financial Action Task Force, and they are working against money laundering and terror funding. Also, India's mega multilateral Milan exercise. India has military exercises with these countries. For example, a Milan exercise with Saudi Arabia, Oman and Kuwait, and also Bailat or Desert Eagle 2 with the UAE. And it also has Zair al-Bahr, which is a naval exercise between India and Qatar Navy. So that's all about Gulf Countries Council and Gulf Cooperation Council. And for more videos, do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also do visit our website believersias.com to get access to our free current affair materials, and the kind of you can get to know our course structure and more about us, and also do follow us on Instagram and also join our Telegram channel in order to get all the updates in your inbox. You can access our materials anytime that you want. Thank you.